check this out, guys. Look at this. There's still Antiquitech on top of this one. This old stone building. Look. It's all balloon rocks. I'm just kidding. But yeah, look it up there, dude. There's 3 flagpoles. What do you bet those are Antiquitech, or at least used to be? They had to keep the story straight, so they just had to leave the flagpoles up there. I thought that was really neat. It was a really old building, I think. Hotel Rosa. That's the building we just reviewed. And look, we got a stone building down there. And we got this. This is like the old train station right here, because the train tracks are right fucking there. So this is some kind of old building too. Look at all that old stone. And then you go over here, cross around over there. And that's an old stone building too. So yeah, this is an old part of town. Anyway, it's kind of interesting. So yeah, the Hotel Rosa, Santa Rosa. And oh yeah, look, there is ventilation underground. I missed that. So maybe this would have been pavement light at one time. Pavement glass. There's the bottom edge. So anyway, here's the back side of the Hotel Rosa. As you can see, over here to the right, got some old brick, and then oh, what do you know? What do you know? Oh, arch windows. You got lots of arched windows. So I'm assuming this is all old brick. It's really weird, all this white stuff all over it. I don't know if that's some kind of facade, or they tried to make it look old, or what the hell is going on over here. Let's check it out. Let's take a closer look. What is this stuff? There's the arch windows. Oh yeah, look at that. There's a little bit of burn marks there. Look, some burn marks there too. Really interesting. Yeah. So there we go. There's the Antiquitech again. Oh yeah, Antiquitech. I wonder if those are original poles. There would have been aether fencing around that too. All that would have been aether fencing. So yeah, this is an old one. It's an old one. Check this out. Next to the Hotel Rosa, look at, we have melted brick here. For all those meltards out there, look at. Looks kind of melted. Oh, look at that. That's definitely melted. I guess this is probably just recycled brick from some kind of fire or something. Pretty sure they use this in this part of town. This is old railroad square. And it's a bunch of old buildings down here. I don't know how old these are. I can't say for sure, but this used to go all the way through the courthouse down there before the freeway was there. There's a freeway right there. This is right down the street from that last video I posted. So these are some old buildings here. Some old buildings. But I don't know if they're from the super old world. That one has pillars. It's kind of neat. But yeah. And the railroad tracks are right over there, right down there.